Hi everyone, this is Jel from Jel Tarot Guide. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitin natin itong The Keeper, the Fortune Telling card. Alamin natin kung ano mga posibleng mangyari para sa'yo sa nanonood ngayon, okay? Or mga gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards para sa'yo sa nanonood ngayon, okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, so pwede po mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi, okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng signs. Earth sign, water sign, fire sign, and air sign ay pwede po ito sa lahat, okay? And ang gender din ay welcome din po, babae, lalaki, or LGBT man yung mga nanonood or yung mga taong dinidil nyo. Basta mag-resonate, again, take lang, okay? And this is a timeless reading, so kahit anong araw, buwan, o taon mo to napanood, basta tugma sa sitwasyon nyo and sa mga taong dinidil nyo, take nyo lang, okay? Pag nakita mo tong video na ito, ibig sabihin para sa iyo to. Okay? So, ano po ang message niyo po para sa taong nanonood ngayon? Ano po ang message niyo po para sa taong nanonood ngayon? Ayun. So, may nag-flip. Privileged lady. So, there's a feminine energy. It's either this is you or you're dealing with someone, a privileged lady, okay? And mature man, okay? So, meron tayo dito masculine and feminine energy. And pwede meron itong parang age difference kasi there's a lady right here and there's a mature man right here, okay? So, it's either meron kayong age difference, siguro merong mas matanda, merong mas bata, okay? Or pwede din namang malayo yung sitwasyon, lugar nyo sa isa't isa, or pwede din namang itong taong to is professional, maraming alam na sa buhay, okay? Wisdom, professor, teacher, okay? Or pwede ding lawyer, or pwede nakatira sa malayong lugar kasi meron tayo ditong globe, okay? And this feminine energy right here, okay? So, take nyo lang kung sino itong dinidin nyo po and also alin ka dyan, okay? So, may nag-flip. False person and marriage. Okay. So, pwedeng karelasyon mo to, pwedeng kasal kayo, okay? And merong isa sa inyo parang false person or feeling mo itong taong dinidil mo ngayon is parang hindi totoo, hindi siya naging totoo sa'yo or something na parang kung hindi naman ganun, there is something na parang misteryoso itong taong dinidil mo ngayon or itong taong makikita mo in the nearest future. Pero there's a marriage right here. So pwedeng itong taong to is ito yung ikakasal sa'yo, ikakasal ka dito. Okay, so pwedeng this is your current relationship or your future love, okay? Pero there's a false person right here. So hindi ka masyadong open sa taong to or itong taong to is hindi ganun ka-open sa'yo or pwedeng there's a mysterious behind of this person, okay? So medyo ironic silang dalawa. There is something na medyo tagilid yung energy, pero ito sobrang ganda. Okay. So, ano pa po ang mensahe? There's a new pathway. Okay. So, merong okay, so it's either kilala mo na to or pwedeng makikilala mo pa lang, okay? Merong bagong landas kasama itong taong to, okay? This person finds you so attractive, okay? Although hindi siya ganun ka, alam mo yun, hindi ganun ka open, hindi ganun ka, there's something mysterious behind of this person or itong taong to is misteryoso ka sa kanya, okay? Pero nakikita ka niya as a marriage, kumbaga, companion, okay? So, kung gusto kanyang ikasal, gusto mo siyang ikasal sa'yo, gusto ko kanyang ikasal sa kanya, okay? And there's a new, pasensya na kung medyo magalaw, okay? And there's a new pathway right here. Saglit lang po, ayusin ko lang to, okay? Ayan, okay. So, there's a new pathway. Pwedeng itong pathway na ito is makakasama mo itong taong to. Okay, so this is a new journey sa nararamdaman ko. And, oh wow. Pwede siyang love reading po. Okay? So, it's either kilala mo na to o hindi pa. Wealthy man. Okay. So, again, there's a feminine and masculine right here. So, itong taong to is mayaman. Pwedeng itong taong to is nakakaangat sa buhay. Okay. And you attract this person. Sobra siyang attracted sa'yo. Okay. And, wow. Family room. So, pwedeng makikita mo siya in a family room or gusto, again, there's a marriage and family, okay? So, gusto ng taong to na parang nakakapag-decide na siya na gusto niyang kasama kanya sa ibukod kanya, parang ganun, okay? So, pwedeng merong proposal, merong pagbubukod, pagli-live-in partner, together in person, okay? And this person is so attracted to you. And makakasama mo ito sa landas na, alam mo yun, kayong dalawa, okay? Nakikita niyo sa marriage niya ito yung dadaanan niyo, okay? And this person will open his or her heart to you. Okay? And hindi lang puso niya, kundi buhay niya. Kasi meron tayo ditong family room. Okay? So, you are welcome to this person's life. Kung sino man itong nanonood ngayon, sa'yo mismo. Okay, again, you are living far away from this person. Malayo kayong dalawa, mature man. Again, sinabi ko kanina, there's a distance between the both of you and there's the distance horizon. Okay, so, malayo, it's either kilala mo na to, pwedeng nag-o-online kayo kasi meron tayo ditong false person, hindi kanya kilala masyado, hindi mo to kilala masyado itong taong to, pero andun yung attraction, okay? And that attraction leads to marriage, and that marriage will, will go far, 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 so far na makakasama mo siya sa pathway na ito, okay? And this person open her heart, her whole life for you. Okay, so there's a distant horizon. Wow. Main male. Again, there's a mature man, there's a wealthy man, and there's a main male. So, pwede you're dealing with 3 persons, okay? Or pwede isa ka dito, okay? Or pwede isang tao lang dito sila. Okay? So, nakikita nyo, sa likuran ng taong to, parang pareho siya dito. Okay? Pareho. Parang, again, sinabi ko kanina, sa taong to, you are welcome to his or her life. Okay? And makikita mo na parang andyan siya pagkapasok mo dito sa family room na ito, i-welcome ka niya. Okay, so this person wants you to be with him, with her, in his or her lifetime. Okay? Her lifetime, I mean. Okay? So, ano pa po? Ano pa po ang message po for this person na dinidil ng taong to? Despair. Merong despair dito. So, it's either this person is nakakaramdam ng despair or pwedeng ikaw is nakakaramdam ng despair. Okay, I don't know why kung bakit merong despair, merong lungkot. Okay, pero this person is so attracted to you. Sobra. Sobra siyang attracted sa'yo. Bottom of the deck is journey. So, there's a travel. There's a travel towards you, towards this person. Okay. Pwede din nakakaramdam siya ng despair or pwede ikaw and gusto niya na i-level up pa yung kung ano yung meron sa inyong dalawa. Okay. So, again, pwedeng there's a distance kasi meron tayo ditong journey. Okay. Meron tayo ditong distance and meron tayo ditong globe. So, medyo merong pagitan sa inyong dalawa, okay? And it's either this person will take a leap of faith for you para isa katuparan yung gusto niya na kung saan i-welcome ka niya sa bahay niya, okay? Pwede ding magli-lead ito into a marriage, okay? Sobrang ganda and makakasama mo siya sa panibagong landas na ito. And itong landas na ito is pwedeng ito. Journey together with this person, okay? So, yun po ang ating reading for this person, sa'yo, kung sino man itong dinidil mo, okay? Naway nagustuhan niyo po, huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you and God bless!